Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Microsoft Edge app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. So then all you have to do, you just go down here. You keep going down, then you click here on apps. So then you come to apps list here, and there you're looking for Microsoft Edge app. Or just click on search, then here add Edge app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it, so then it's going to take you to this list here. Just click on force stop, then you click on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache, and all you have to do, so you just restart your phone and start it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.